Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a juicy topic to explore: the incredible world of American cranberry juice. We're going to uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this tart and tangy delight. So, grab your favorite cranberry juice and let's get started. Cranberries are grown in beautiful, waterlogged bogs. Cranberries grow in low-lying bogs, flooded with water during the growing season. This unique environment not only helps the berries thrive but also makes for some stunning landscapes. Cranberries are harvested by flooding the fields and using special machinery. Harvesting cranberries is quite the sight to see. Farmers flood the fields, and then machinery gently dislodges the berries from the vines. It's a bit like a natural cranberry float parade. Cranberry nutrition label. Cranberry juice is packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. Not only is cranberry juice delicious, but it's also incredibly healthy. It's loaded with antioxidants that can help boost your immune system and promote overall well-being. Native Americans used cranberries for centuries. Native Americans have been using cranberries for centuries, both for food and for their medicinal properties. They even used cranberries as a natural dye. Thanksgiving tradition. Cranberry sauce became a Thanksgiving tradition in the 19th century. Cranberry sauce on your Thanksgiving table isn't just delicious. It's a tradition that dates back to the 1800s. Cranberry juice production. It takes approximately 333 cranberries to make 1 glass of cranberry juice. Next time you sip on cranberry juice, remember that it took hundreds of these tiny red jewels to create that one refreshing glass. Cranberries' health benefits. Cranberry juice may help prevent urinary tract infections. Cranberry juice is often recommended for preventing UTIs due to its natural compounds that can help fight off harmful bacteria. It's not just tasty, it's a health booster. Cranberry festivals. Some places in the United States host annual cranberry festivals. Believe it or not, there are towns in the US that celebrate cranberries with vibrant festivals. It's a fun and colorful way to appreciate this incredible fruit. Cranberry varieties. There are different varieties of cranberries, each with unique flavors. Cranberry enthusiasts, take note. Different cranberry varieties offer varying flavor profiles, so it's worth trying them all to find your favorite. Cranberries are not just for juice. They can be used in a wide range of culinary delights. Cranberries are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From cranberry muffins to cranberry chutney, there are countless delicious ways to incorporate this fruit into your meals. Cranberry colors. Cranberries aren't just red. You can find white and pink varieties too. Each type has its own unique flavor and culinary uses. Cranberries were used by sailors in the 18th century to prevent scurvy. Back in the 18th century, sailors consumed cranberries to ward off scurvy, thanks to their vitamin C content. It's a small berry with a big history. Cranberry artifacts. Cranberry-related artifacts have been found dating back to 1550 BC. That's a lot of cranberry history in one little fruit. Cranberry exports. The United States exports cranberries to over 50 countries. Cranberries are not just a local delight. They're enjoyed worldwide. The United States exports these tasty berries to more than 50 countries, spreading the cranberry love globally. Cranberry DIY beauty. Cranberries can be used in DIY beauty treatments for glowing skin. Beyond consumption, cranberries can be used in DIY beauty treatments. Their antioxidants and vitamins can give your skin a natural, healthy glow. Who knew cranberries could be your beauty secret? Cranberry muffin recipe. Cranberry juice can add a delicious twist to your muffin recipes. Cranberry juice isn't just for drinking. It can enhance your culinary skills. Consider adding it to your muffin batter for a unique and tasty twist on a classic recipe. Cranberry vine growth. Cranberry vines can live for over a century. Cranberry vines are not just resilient. They can be long-lived, with some lasting over a century. That's a lot of cranberries from a single plant. Cranberry symbolism. Cranberries are often associated with love and friendship. Cranberries have been symbolically linked to love and friendship, making them a popular choice for wedding decorations and gift arrangements. They're a sweet gesture in more ways than one. Cranberry fertilization. Cranberry flowers require bees for cross-pollination. Cranberries need the help of busy bees for cross-pollination. Without these buzzing helpers, we might not have the delicious cranberries we enjoy today. Cranberries' influence. Cranberries have influenced American culture, from Thanksgiving to folklore. Cranberries have left their mark on American culture. And there you have it, some amazing and lesser-known facts about cranberry juice. It's incredible how much history, culture, and versatility is packed into these little red wonders. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cranberry-related content. Thanks for being with us today, and we'll see you in our next video. Please like, comment, subscribe.